Wait, no, I'm not playing the right character.
Who are you playing as?
I'm playing as wizard, freaking warlock, dude. Oh god, I want to play a different character, man. I gotta play the stupid wizard, freaking warlock, bro. Hey, Dave, can we die? Yeah. Okay, Dave. I forgot I don't have all the cool stuff.
Where are you going, bro?
Don't worry, man, I can fly.
Why me, man? Oh, what the frick? I just saw the ground. I just saw it inside the ground. That was kind of weird.
What's cool?
No.
Yeah. Alright, bet. I'm gonna give the Sombering to like a equipment run or something. But I'm ready.
Oh, hey. DPS and
Rockets are nice.
Alright.
Let's get that out of here.
Zip zap zoom!
We might as well just beat the game and then you can get the captain and then
Yeah.
which one you wanna do? You wanna obliterate yourself or the void one? The void one's pretty hard. That's just time consuming actually. Oh shoot! I'm not dead.
Okay, the Opus thing. I'm gonna see what the question mark is. I'm gonna regret it. Oh, it's the thing that I was just talking about.
Well, just talking about you want it? Just take it. What the heck is this? A gnarly wood spirit.
Oh yeah, that is.
And
I didn't even know what was happening.
I know, right?
Oh, these things? I don't know. I forgot actually. Ooh, this is just a heal thing. Oh wait, the portal's right here. I can see it sticking through the ground. Yep.
Oh, wow. Graphics terrible.
Ukulele. Heck yeah.
Ukulele.
No! No! It took my feather. God! I thought I was gonna take the stealth kit.
Dang. Hey, I found the equipment done. Let's go. Let's fight even. Okay. Yeah, just don't worry about it. Bro, it's healing me. I wasted my blood for money.
Menace to society.
I thought they were called hoes. Drop.
It.
Oh,
Funny.
slow it down.
No.
Skedaddle.
Here, I mean, yeah, I guess.
What was that? Oh, hey. Man, I want to get all this stuff.
How the?
He wants all the information.
Bro, did you kill that thing in one shot? Where did it go?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Look at my face.
Dude, I'll tell you, this big ball I'm holding is pretty good. You have to do it. This.
I just destroyed eggs. Maybe that's why those birds are here. That's not good.
Nah. I want to play the ninja guy. Or dragon. Or freaking T-Rex. Dragon.
Both of them are melee. Except one's mostly melee.
They're melee? Oh, okay, that makes
Yeah.
sense. Let me guess. It's a sword guy. It's mostly.
No. It's the
No?
Rex. T-Rex guy.
I guess you're wrong then.
Are you sure?
Dang.
I don't know. You think I know because
Yeah, you
I
play
was
this
looking
game.
at, I was just no. I was just looking at the characters like. This guy looks cool.
I won.
Hey, look, it's the open the wheel.
Uh,
Open the wheel. This
oh.
open the wheel.
Get garbage.
Ooh, emergency drone. I still don't know what that thing does.
Same. I still buy because just in case of an emergency, you know.
I wasn't even in the ice. Game.
Oh, Lunicorn.
Wait. Boom! What'd I get?
Leech. That's pretty good for you. As Lunicorn.
Ah, birds. Check.
Nope. Huh? What the heck?
Oh wait. Oh, I shot a bunch of eggs. That's right.
Oh my god.
My bad.
No, what's that?
Oh my god, he has the things. Thingy bombs.
Got two left though. From Destiny 2. Oh shoot. You got a lot. Oh god.
Oh god, I'm flying.
There we go. Get that shield away from off of him. Let's go.
Hey!
Let's wait.
I don't
Oh,
know.
it's a
I
new
don't
character.
know what that means. Really?
It's a new character, yeah. Defeat the Siren Call. I think I saw a character about
wait,
that.
we get stuff from it. Dio, we get Dio's pet or dog. I don't know. Pet bears. Let's go.
Hey. Yes, you do.
You ready?
Yeah, start it. Oh.
I can't hear a thing, dude. Oh god.
Hey, what's that? You want that?
Oh wait, that's supernova.
Blue portal.
Alright, where is it? Finally saw the video thing.
It's you have to like, you know, jump down and like search just like a hole. But like, let's get one of these first. Which one do you want?
Honestly, this one's pretty cool.
This one.
Oh wait, shoot, it does nothing.
What do you need?
Not yet. It does nothing yet. That's what
Huh.
it said.
Oh. Look at this.
Money. I'm like, okay. So we gotta. Okay.
I got it.
Ah, my ankles, Romany. Jesus Christ on a stick.
Dude, just stay there.
Hey, yo, all the drones died.
Nah, they come back. They just die in this place because I don't know why. They're suicidal. Jumping. You gotta shoot us. You also get slight as it's not stupid.
Alright, how does this work?
Okay, so when we activate this, we have to stay inside the circle.
Yeah.
Could be a lot of powerful stuff too. Alright, well. Come on, dude. I think this is the last one.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Thanks for the warning off. I'm smart. Oh, you got stupid stuff. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Hey!
Oh, yo!
He's the most weirdest kid ever, dude. He steals from people. That's what he does. This man stole my money. So he gave it back. And I stole his money. I never gave it back. He good friends.
Guys, this place is called Sprite Fields. Yeah.
Tire room in small.
Yeah.
No.
What? What? No! No! Romany!
What happened?
What do you mean? What happened?
Ah, she disconnected.